Hello everyone, my name is Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning law firm and I am so happy to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about what is the minimum asset level needed to create a trust. But before I get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today or any questions about estate planning in general, you can go to estateplanningmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free. Again, that website is estateplanningmeeting.com. You can go there, you'll see my schedule, pick the time that works best for you, and be more than happy to answer any questions you have regarding estate planning. So today's topic is, what are the minimum assets needed before you can create a trust? This is probably a question that comes up quite often when I'm talking to clients or potential clients. They want to know, do I need to have a certain asset level before I can create a trust? And the short answer to that question is, no, you don't. There's no law that says you need to have a minimum amount before you can create a trust. But you really want to make sure of when you're trying to think about this is, what do you want to use a trust for? And that will really dictate whether a trust is something that you should include in your estate plan or if it's something that you don't need. So a couple things that trusts do, or the couple main things that trusts do, is that one is that they avoid probate. So any asset held in trust will avoid the probate process. So if that's important to you, creating a trust is something that you definitely want to do. Another thing that a trust can do is that it allows you to have more oversight on when your children or your beneficiaries receive their assets. So you can control when they actually receive them. So if you want to spread that out over a longer period of time, you can do that with a trust. If you don't have a trust, you don't really have that power, because if you only had a will and you were to pass their assets under a will to your children, once they turn 18, they receive those assets free and clear of any sort of restriction. So if that's important to you, then you need to create a trust to do that. To kind of answer the question is that it really depends on what you want to accomplish. If avoiding probate and having prolonged oversight over assets you pass on to your children is important to you, then creating a trust is something that you want to do. And it probably doesn't really matter what your asset level is, because in order to accomplish those two goals, you need to have a trust to do that. So whether you have $100,000, $50,000, $25,000, or $1 million, it doesn't really matter. If those things are important to you, then you need to create a trust to accomplish those goals. However, if you have a lower asset level and that you want to pass on to your children or to your beneficiaries, and you're not really concerned about avoiding probate or having oversight over those assets, then a trust may not make sense to you, and all you really need is a will to accomplish those goals. So really what it depends on is what you're trying to accomplish with your estate plan, and if a trust is needed to accomplish those goals. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone that can benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave the comment. I'd be more than happy to answer it for you. And again, if you want to talk to me about trusts or estate planning or any questions you have regarding your estate plan, you can go to estateplanningmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free. Again, that website is estateplanningmeeting.com. Go there, see my schedule, pick the time that works best for you, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have regarding estate planning. Once again, my name is Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate you doing that, and I will talk to you soon.